Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Wednesday, October 18, 2023 on our channel. Hoshizaki enters the domestic market for medical cold storage. Frascold donates its compressors to Pane Quotidiano. Training refrigeration technicians in the informal sector to promote green cooling. Eurovent India Workshop, Energy Efficient IAC. MSA Safety Product named Finalist for AHR Innovation Award. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Hoshizaki enters the domestic market for medical cold storage. Aiming for introduction in life science and biotechnology R&D Fields Hoshizaki Company, Limited, a comprehensive food service equipment manufacturer, is making a new entry into the domestic medical cold storage market. 2 models of large medical coolers will be released through Hoshizaki sales companies from early November. Features of Hoshizaki medical cooler. The refrigerant used is the natural refrigerant isobutane, which is not a human-made substance but a substance that originally existed in nature. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Frascold donates its compressors to Pane Quotidiano. Frascold renews its support for Pane Quotidiano by donating its compressors for the cold storage rooms in the new logistics center to guarantee safe food preservation. Frascold continues its support of the non-profit organization, Pane Quotidiano, through the donation of its compressors required to commission the brand new cold rooms, built in partnership with Aspects A. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Training refrigeration technicians in the informal sector to promote green cooling. Concerns about the depletion of the ozone layer and the climate crisis are addressed by international conventions and protocols ratified by Senegal. These make it possible to reduce and gradually eliminate the use of substances. However, the use of natural refrigerants requires the mastery of several challenges. In order to avoid any harmful eventualities, work on these installations requires specific theoretical and practical qualifications to enable technicians and even operators to work on refrigeration equipment in complete safety. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Eurovent India Workshop, Energy Efficient IAC. Eurovent India invites senior consultants and key industry stakeholders to an expert workshop on energy efficient IAC solutions. The event will take place on November 7, 2023, 1600 hours to 21:00 local time, in Bengaluru. The workshop is organized by Eurovent's local Indian working group comprised of leading HVACR companies active in manufacturing in India. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. MSA Safety Product named Finalist for AHR Innovation Award. MSA Safety Incorporated announced that the Legend Series HFC Refrigerant Analyzer is a finalist in the Tools and Instruments category of the 2024 AHR Innovation Awards. The recognition highlights the company's commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions that prioritize safety, environmental sustainability, and performance excellence. The Legend Series HFC Refrigerant Analyzer is a finalist in the Tools and Instruments category. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.